Hi everybody, I'm going to do a little bloom on a little wooden Christmas ornament. I got these on Amazon. Okay, so I just put my little puddle of house paint. This is Ruby by Deco Art. I just made these yesterday, so they need a bit of thinning out. I've got deep permanent green by Liquitex Basics and some yellow green. And I'm going to use a gold cell activator. It's deep gold by Amsterdam. All right, I think I'll put the red on the top. All right, I'll put this green on the bottom. And this is yellow green by PBO. It's probably, I always put too much paint on these little things. You get used to one amount and you have to change. All right, let's try this gold. I'm going to give it a good shake. Deep gold by Amsterdam and Australian Floetrol. Do with this. Not used to the gold cell activator. It works, but it doesn't seem to, well, I don't know. We'll see. Spread out like the other ones. Put a bit of gold here. Okay, I'll give it a spin. Too much paint. Too much paint, I think. Spin. It's pretty nice. I think it's good. I think I'll keep it. I'll do another one. I'll try it again. My paints are way too thick. Okay, now it's cooking. Oh, I think I'll use the gold again. That worked. That worked better. I'll let it calm down a bit. Well, I'm in the middle of moving my room around, so I'm going to get a bigger table. I'll have more room to spread out. So the red was Ruby Red by Deco Art, Deep Green by Permanent by Liquitex Basics, and Yellow Green by PBO, and 24 Karat Gold by and Deep Gold by Amsterdam mixed together for the gold. Excuse me. That's much better. this one. Okay, I think this is good. Maybe when they're dry, I might paint the tops gold just to make them look like they have a little top on them. There. It's pretty. Okay, I gotta go do some more moving around. I just thought I would sit and relax and do a painting. Give my back a rest. There. There you go. Thanks for coming. Bye. And I hope. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried little ornaments with the gold cell activator. Dried really nice. It's very pretty. I think I'm going to try some sparkle paint next time. There you go. Have a good day. Bye-bye.